Hello guys, welcome to Electrical Preps. So today we are looking at this Olympiad maths question, and we have to solve this radical is equal to 5. So you can recognize that this, the left hand side is a radical, which is root of x plus root of x plus root of x plus is equal to 5. So with this, we let y to be equal to the radical here. So you say let y is equal to the radical, which is root of x plus root of x plus root of x. Okay, so we are going to get y is equal to, now we let this radical to be this, so we still get the infinite radical. So we can say that root x plus this y, okay, it's also a radical, so plus y. Now we can square both sides, so we get y squared is equal to root of x plus y all squared. Okay, we are doing this in order to solve for x. Okay, so this squared can cancel the root here, so we are going to get y squared is equal to x plus y. Okay, we are forming a quadratic equation. So let's move all the items to the left hand side. So we are going to get y squared minus y minus x is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. But don't forget, we said that y is equal to the radical. So it means that this y is equal to 5. Okay, we said y is equal to this radical. So it means that our question now becomes y is equal to 5. Okay, so we substitute y is equal to 5 back into this equation. So we are going to get y, so y is equal to 5, so it will be 5 rather. So we said 5 squared minus 5 minus x is equal to 0. 5 squared is 25 minus 5 minus x is equal to 0. Now 25 minus 5 is 20. Okay, minus x is equal to 0. Now we have to make s a subject. So we say that x is equal to 20. So our solution is x is equal to 20. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.